pretty common problem every winter or between the seasons is a squeaking sound while driving. And it's usually falling between this washer and the disc. We see some scratches, and there you go. Do you see him? There he is. So this little beast makes hell of a noise, but is nothing criminal indeed. It just scratches the disc like a crazy DJ. Now let's double check. No squeaks anymore. So I hope you can make some use of it. I have seen this situation many times, once per winter definitely, and also helping out other cars on the road. Be careful if you hear this squeaky sound. Double check, take the wheel off, because it could be also a problem with the brake system. I had it on this car. The caliper pressed the braking pads together but did not release them, and so the braking pads were rubbing against the disc. The disc was going red, and I had to replace 2 discs and 2 braking pad pairs, so it was quite costly. Always double check what it is, but this time we got lucky. This was it. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.